Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Aha! Let me tell you another story of ice cream cup today. Once upon a time, in a land made of sugar and sprinkles, there was a little ice cream cup named Scoopy. Scoopy lived in the sweetest ice cream parlor in the whole town, where children and their families would come to enjoy the delicious frozen treats. Scoopy was a happy and colorful ice cream cup with a big smile on his face. He was filled with the creamiest vanilla ice cream, and his friends, the colorful sprinkles, always accompanied him. They would giggle and dance on the top of his smooth surface, making Scoopy feel even more special. So, did you like the story of Ice Cream Cup? Tell in comments. And why not draw an ice cream now?